Oh dear, stuff fell over. I picked that up yesterday. There's a light shining in my face. It's got a chair here. Not sure I really want it, but well, yesterday I got that. I've got another barbecue. I've got a ladder, and a bunch of stuff out of my shed area. Pretty stacked. Oh, and if you can't tell, it's raining. The weather's taken a turn since yesterday. There you go, take a seat. Right, let's go to the next one. Tell you what guys, there is not much out here today. So, I'm just going to fill up on some scrappy bits. These were ordered yesterday. Yes. Oh, they're definitely broken. Oh. It's really not much. I'm going to fill up whatever scrappy bits we can get. It's really quiet. I mean, I've still got half the van load to fill up. This could take a while. And it's raining. So there. Rubbish furniture. And mousy. Nope. Bunch of garbage. So we've got some bed shearing. Nice bit of bed shearing. Had some bed shearing in a while. Tell you what else I haven't had in a while. Radiators. Let's get that over there with that up. Try and wedge it in, hopefully it stays up. That's over there. Is that it? Wow. Wow. Oh. Taped it together, I love it when they do that. Wow, guess who's here? Must be a noisy fox. Could be quiet if I tried. Maybe I should just stop trying to be quiet. Because it never works out. What's that? Is that metal? A decent bag as well. take it. Oh, it's a bit windy. It's not going to stay there, is it? Sweet. Next. Wind's picking up. It's getting windy, guys. I haven't got me sock on the camera, so hopefully it's alright. Hopefully it's all right. Everything I picked up this morning. God, we need more than this. We need some big fat appliances. Fast. We've got a barbecue, people. And that is 316 stainless, that one. That little scrappy bit there. 316. Nightmare. Let's grab this anyway, I can break it down. Look at the cracks. Take what we can. There ain't much. Bluetooth air up. It's fair game to me. Two flat tyres on a rusty old girl's bike. Giant. Find them all the time, they're not worth anything, so don't get all excited. You'd be lucky to get 20 quid for them on Facebook. If you guys saw that or not, but the puddle got me every time. We're at Greggs. There's a barbecue I picked up. Bit shearing. There's a bike. Bunch of rubbish today. There's really not much out there. There is, but they're sort of up on people's front doors and stuff. So it's a bit clicky, you know. I'm going to strip this barbecue down quickly. I might whip the wheels off that bike and try and get some of this pushed up there. I'll get back to you guys momentarily. In the pouring rain. Good times. There you go. We've got loads of room. Absolutely loads of room in here. Flat pack barbecue. And there's the bike. So yes, that is a Giant bike, but they're not a big brand. Get it? They're not a big brand. Giant. Sorry, I couldn't help myself. But yeah, well, Giant do make low-end bikes as well, and this is a women's bike. Thing is, I know quite a bit about bikes, and I know which ones are worth anything, and I know which ones aren't. That, a rusty old women's bike with two flat tyres, it's not worth the hassle. But they were quick release, so that made my life a bit easier. Right, see if I can get rid of that bed shearing up there, and let's go and carry on. Because we need to fill this van up. I mean, there's quite a bit in here, but it's not enough. Last year I done 1.5 tons, and I want to hit at least a ton this year. All right, let's go. Well, the sacrifice to the scrap gods hasn't really worked. It is dead out here. I can't believe how quiet it is. I think I might have left it a bit too late this year. I've got a bad feeling. I could really do with a couple of big fat appliances just to get this load done and then go and pick up some stuff in the morning, but it's not looking good, guys. Quick buff and chop on the barbecue here. Barbecue's here. I'll even take that because I'm desperate. Oh. Right, let's get out of the road. Sweet, something. Next. Shift fan. Bit sheer in here. So I can grab it quick, but this van is a mess. Dolly's knocked everything over, as per usual. Let's do some reconstruction here quickly. Oh my days. Cheers, Bolly. I appreciate it, mate. Bit of good stuff there. Guy was at the front door. He doesn't mind being on camera. Bit copper there. Lovely bit of shearing. Put that on Dolly so when I need it, I'll make a right racket. Oh. Still got room for some appliances. Yeah. Sick. Next. A little mooch in here quick. I'll get out and have a goosey gander. Oh yeah. Oh, it's plastic. It was metal. Something that really caught me eye, what's that? But that's wood and all. Northern Estate, I'll have the keys in my van. That's not good. Sorry if it's windy. Is that metal? Oh, it's wood. Damn it. Damn. That was a waste of time. Oh well, just get a bit of fluff in the video, I can actually make a full episode. Yeah, now I'm just walking through Northern Estate, talking to myself like a maniac. Alright, let's get out of there. Any old iron, any old iron for me. Nah. What up, pigeons? It's just wood around here. I don't want wood. I want metal. Sorry about the wind. It's over here. One tiny little bit of metal. Oh well, there's no point going back empty-handed, is there? I might as well take something. A bunch of garbage today. Next. Force or something. Have been vandalised. I can refine that. Take it. What's this? Oh, that's metal, no? Thick. Sometimes it pays just to get out and have a little stroll. It's a bit of a mess in here, I'm not going to lie, but you know, we're filling up. No, my luck, I'll probably find a bunch of wash machines now. What's that? Is that a fridge? It's a fridge. Don't want no fridges. I'll take that though. What's that round here? Crayons? We don't want no crayons. Any old iron, any old iron. Dead. Morning. It's alright. I'm just your local friendly scrap man. Out doing the mooching and the scooping. Next. Let's go over here first. Since I put this one out recently. Doubt it. No, not since I was here last time. Oh, get your exhaust looked at, buddy. What's that? Looks like wood. I don't want wood. I want scrappy bits. Oh, it is wood, isn't it? Oh, that's PVC. Huh. I'll take that, that's worth money. Well, I put this in the van, I'll come back for the rest. We'll take some PVC. Absolutely. Money's money. Oh, for those who don't know, PVC doors and windows in the UK are actually worth scrapping. You can take it to the scrapyard and weigh it in for its monetary value. Come on. That's right, people. Plastic scrap. Never thought I'd see the day, but today's the day. Now you guys have seen it too. Oh, we've got it all going on in Vanderbox. Oh, how much is that going to fly out the door when I open it? Whew. We get the appliance now, I'm screwed. Right, let's go and get screwed. So I'm bound to find one on the way home. Oh, so wet out here. Fast as dust. Scrap, that's what that is. I was a bit shearing. If anyone from the council's watching, you didn't see that, okay? Next. That's wood. Pots and pans it is then. I'll take a pot or a pan, wherever it is. Got to be careful, there's a parking board in here a minute ago giving out tickets. Oh, it's a trolley, damn. What's that? Heater? Take that. No point going back empty handed, it's in there. Nah. Why have I got my gloves on? Why do I keep doing that? Got a heater. Nice heater. Bit of a cord on it, I suppose. Oh my days. Heater's trying to kill me. Say it. Well, boys and girls, foxes and vixens, that is it for this one. Let's jump in the back quick. Show you what I got. Straight in the puddle. Wow. There we go, we got a bit of everything today except big fat appliances. We got only barbecues, a couple of barbecues, we got a bicycle, we got a cabinet, we got a bunch of nice shearing there. It's actually decent metal. We've got some bed shearing and some PVC. Yes, for those who don't know, in the UK you can now take your PVC door and window frames to the scrapyard and they'll pay you more than light iron. It's about shearing price, to be honest with you. It's not too bad. I mean, we got some stuff, but it's not heavy. She doesn't feel that heavy. It's probably 3/4 ton in there at the moment. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go home, try and get this ram down there, try and get this barbecue taken apart as much as I can, and just have a general little tidy up. Hopefully we can ram some more in here either later today. I might pop out today and just go and knock on some doors, or leave it for tomorrow, get some more content. I guess tomorrow's video will be filling this up and going to get weighed and paid, see how much we actually got for it. We've got quite a bit in here. Bit of stainless, bit of iron alley, also known as refine. Yeah, I mean, it's going to be an absolute nightmare at the scrapyard, but should be fun. Looking forward to that one. Well, it's a shame the weather's rubbish, but at least we got a Greggs and at least we found some scrap metal, so it can't be too bad. That's it. I just want to say a quick thank you to everyone who's been commenting on the videos. It's nice to see some of you guys have come back to the channel after I left for quite a while. Actually, only 8.7% of my subscribers still have the notifications turned on. So I think over the last 9 months, YouTube might have turned them off, sort of thing. So yeah, you don't know what you're missing out on, guys. But then you're not going to see it because you're not getting the notifications for the videos. That's my own fault. But yeah, hopefully we can get it back up to a reasonable level again. But I really appreciate every single one of you. I appreciate all of you for sticking by me. And yeah, I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you've done well this weekend out scrapping. Most of the scrap jacks that I've seen, they're all pretty much full up. So I think everyone's had a pretty decent weekend. I might have just left it a little bit too late this time. But that's it. That's the way it goes. It's my own fault. But at least we got something. It's been a long time since this van's been stacked like this. So that's good. Well, I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to go home. I'm going to have a coffee. I'm going to jump in the back of this van and tidy it up and get this video done. So until the next one, be cool, be kind, or try and be. And until then, keep it 10 in whatever you do. Love. I'll see you next time. Why is my arm down here? Why is that arm there? Right, do you know what I mean? Until the next one, keep it 10. I'll see you later, guys. Probably tomorrow. We're going to weigh this lot in. I can't wait.